even if I had to harvest one single tomato, one single cucumber, one single green bean, I know that I grew it. That's all that matters. Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherelle Rochelle. If you're new here, welcome to another garden series. Look, I look a mess. I just got out the shower, just came from the gym, but I want to show you guys some progress. I'm so happy when I saw this little thing come out. I feel like I'm doing something right. Now mind you, this is my first time, but I'm about to show you. So I still have the grow light on. It's on the timer. It's like 12 hours on, 12 hours off. So it's going to be turning off in like an hour or so. But I know y'all see it in there. Look at her. So look at my cucumber. It's coming in. So this is the first sign of any type of growth I have. It's been 7 days since I planted this seed, and we have one little sprout coming up. I'm so excited. And my apologies for the lines. This camera hates this room. It hates this room, so it's gonna always have lines. But yeah, I planted some more seeds that's under there, and then I planted 2 more plants, the parsley and the basil, outside. I'm gonna show you that when it gets like a little bit more bright, but it's just dirt in the planter right now. Nothing came up because I planted that Saturday and today is Wednesday. So yeah, we're getting there, y'all. We're getting there. All right, y'all. Yes, I'm in my bonnet, but I want to show you guys what my greenhouse looks like, and I'm gonna be patient with these other seeds, but I did get some more greenhouses to come in today, and I'm gonna reseed all of them because I did think the greenhouse is the only one that's actually like coming up. But the problem is, I think when I watered that greenhouse, the seeds move, and now I'm confused what is what. But I'm gonna show y'all anyway. So the grow light is still on. Like I said yesterday, it's gonna actually, move. I mean, it's gonna actually turn off. But I have 3 sprouts. These 2 wasn't even here yesterday morning, but you know, this one was here. But look how much it's grown, and look at these 2. The problem is, I labeled these like this because this is how I planted them. I think when I watered it, the seeds moved, so now I'm confused. But we're gonna just grow them, and we'll see what they are when they grow out. But that's a rookie mistake on my part because I should have dampened the soil before I put the seeds in. So lesson learned. But I do have 3 sprouts. She is the strongest as of now, but look at these 3, and I wish this one, I don't know how the seed got over here. I guess when I watered it, it moved. So that's why we live and then we learn. I know this was a learning experience, so I don't know if this seed right here is gonna make it, but we'll see. But this one is thriving. I have to wait to harden it when I have true leaves. These are not true leaves, so so happy. Now these bad boys, I don't know. I see nothing. Coming in, and yeah, we may have to I'm gonna keep them, but I'm gonna keep them, but I'm gonna take them as a loss. So we're gonna redo these in the greenhouses today once those come in. So I'm gonna show you those once those come in. We'll figure these out later, what seeds is which, but eventually when this one goes out, I have to take this off because I don't want it to bend. But I think it's because the cups are thick. So yeah, we're gonna see. But I'm excited. I'm still excited. It's okay. It's okay. Sometimes you gotta start over and know what you did wrong. But yeah, definitely gonna hurry up and try because I am behind with seeding. So yeah. So you probably saw this in this will get up in another vlog, but this is the garden series. So I just want to show you guys what I got from Amazon. Let me put this somewhere. Okay. These are the greenhouses I bought because, like I was saying yesterday, I don't know if my other seeds are going to germinate, I guess. So I bought these greenhouses from Amazon. I'm gonna open them up. I think it's a pack of 3. So let's see. So I feel like the Dollar Tree greenhouse worked for the seeds. I think it had the right amount of oxygen and heat and moisture going in there. So I think I'm gonna just do my seeds in these greenhouses, even though that sets me back a week. But like I say, you live and you learn. You live and you learn in regards to actually. You live and you learn in regards to actually like planning. So these are transparent cups, and I feel like they'll be easier to transplant once the seed is ready, and they are thin, so hopefully they get the right amount of stuff. And they do have drainage holes at the bottom. I'm trying to put it against the black. They do have drainage holes at the bottom. So okay, so I have 6 trays. All right, so this is the bottom of the tray. So this is where the water would drain, and then you would put the multiple trays in here like this. Let's see, because I'm gonna actually do this today. Y'all, it's early in the morning. I'm about to do this right now, but I'm gonna start my seeds today because we are behind. So we have 3 trays. These are vents for the greenhouse. Even come with little tools. This is so cute. So this is what I'm gonna use to stick the hole to put the seed in, and wherever, like a little shovel pick situation. So cute. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's to label, but just say guards and whatever. But these are the tops. So this is the top. Then you'll pop this on. Oh, maybe I did it. Yeah. Okay, you pop that on, and then you could control the humidity. And this is how it looks. So this is what we're going to use going forward. Those other seeds that's in the individual cups, I'm going to leave them alone. I'm not going to throw them out. We're going to see what they do. I do have to water them today, so we're about to do that today right now. But these are the ones I'm going to use going forward. I feel like they'll be, by them being individual, first of all, I don't have to worry about the seed actually moving in the big old greenhouse. And then I feel like these will fit better on the little table I have in my office too, instead of that big old pan. But we're gonna move those seeds. I may have to move them. I must see how they are outside. I don't know if I should do that. Yo, this is beginner series, so don't judge. but we're figuring it out together. But I'm not giving up. Even if I had to harvest one single tomato, one single cucumber, one single green bean, I know that I grew it. That's all that matters. Anyway. How y'all want me to fit this in there? I just don't want to bend the plastic. But yes, I have 3 new greenhouses with a total of 36 pods. So yeah, let's go water our seeds. But I'm gonna show y'all the growth in the greenhouse. So good. It's early in the morning, so it is still dark outside, but I had the grow light, it's still on. Let me put it up a little bit if I could water. But look at that. Look at that, y'all. Do y'all see? I don't even know which one is which. I'm so confused now. So we'll just grow and figure out. That was my fault. It was totally my fault. A beginner's mistake for sure. That when I poured the water into the soil, the seeds moved. I should have watered the soil first and then sowed the seeds. So you live and you learn. But we have this water bottle. I actually got the water bottle from Dollar General. It was $1. So I may get another one when I go tomorrow. We're gonna see. But I'm gonna just, this is how I've been watering them. And I didn't want to actually water the actual plant itself. Oh, I can't believe I did this. Do y'all see? So proud of me. So this is why I got the extra greenhouses, because the greenhouse is the only thing I see any activity on. So yeah, we're about to water these still, but I see nothing from any of them. So this is the one I planted Saturday, and it's peppermint, and it may, I don't know how, like, well, the soil went, because I remember filling all of these to the top. Look, we trying, y'all. We're trying, so we're gonna just water her still. And try our best. This one is sweet basil. I'm gonna water her. I didn't water them yesterday because I didn't want to over water. But they are looking like they need some water every day, huh? Alright, this one is beets. I have to hurry up because y'all dying. Alright, let's hurry. This one is another peppermint. And I still have to show y'all the ones outside. Don't let me forget. This is cabbage. This is green beans. Oh, I'm gonna say I can use this green onion. And I did collect some rain water too, y'all, so I'm not gonna do that. This is beets again. green onion. I'm gonna put this back on. It should go off in about 2 hours whenever the sun comes out. Like the sun comes out now, like around 1:30-ish. So I have it set 12 and 12. So this comes on around 8 p.m. and then it goes off around 8 a.m. So it's something I really don't have to worry about when I'm traveling, because I will be traveling for work Sunday and then I'll be gone for 3 days. So hopefully I'll have my other green houses. I'm gonna tell my husband to keep an eye on it, but as far as the light goes, he wouldn't have to worry about like the light. He wouldn't have to worry about the sun, because I'm gonna keep this window open. And yeah. Anyway, I just want to give you guys that update. I think I'm gonna close out this series and start my other seeds in another close out this series. I'm sorry. Then I'm gonna close out this video today, and then I'm gonna start my seeds in another video. So stay tuned for next week's video. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.